Hello, bugs. Welcome to your traditional multiplication review video. If you were hoping for box multiplication, please stop this video now and switch to the other. I have recorded both of these so you can see the strategy in the way that makes sense for you. We are going to be doing traditional with this one, so stack them. We have 47 times 11, starting with our ones place. 1 times 7 is 7. Remember, we go up and then over. 1 times 4 is 4. We're done with the ones place. We add our place saving 0. Go over to the tens. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 4 is 4. And we add 7 and 0 is 7. 4 and 7 is 11. 4 and 1 is 5. Number one's answer is 517. If at any point I'm going too quickly, please go ahead and pause the video. You can rewatch, you can pause and look at my math on the screen, whatever you need to help you understand. All right, next one. 7 times 5 is 35. I drop my 5. I carry my 3. Again, we go across. 7 and 4 is 28. Add 3 is 31. I'm done with my ones place, so I put in my place saving 0 and cross out your carry if it helps you. 4 times 5 is 20. Write down my 0, carry my 2. 4 times 4 is 16. Add 2 is 18. Add them up, make sure I'm lining up my place value. 5 and 0 is 5. 1 and 0 is 1. 3 and 8 is 11. 1 and 1 is 2. 2,115. Moving down to question number 3. 31 times 76. Stack them up. Start with ones place times ones place. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. I'm done with the ones place. I put in my space saving 0. I move over to my tens place. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. I stack and add, matching my place value. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 7 is 15. I carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 2 and nothing is 2. Second answer, 2,356. Moving on. 78 times 32. We stack and multiply. 8 times 2 is 16. 7 times 2 is 14. Add 1 is 15. Place saving 0. Cross to the tens. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 7 is 21. Add 2 is 23. We stack and add. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 3 is 4. 2. 2,496. Down to the bottom. 49 times 54. 9 times 4 is 36. 4 times 4 is 16. Add 3 is 19. Place saving 0. 9 times 5 is 45. 4 times 5 is 20. Add 4 is 24. Stack and add. We have 6. 9 and 5 is 14. 4 and 1 is 5. Add 1 is 6. And our 2,646. Last one for this page. 18 times 21. We stack. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. Place saving 0. Slide to the tens. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 1 is 2. Add 1 is 3. We add. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus nothing is 3. 378. That is the end of your first page. If you are done, please stop here. If you'd like to see the next one, please continue. Moving on to page number 2, starting at question number 1. 44 times 74. We stack. We multiply, starting at the ones place. 4 and 4 is 16. 4 and 4 is 16. Add 1 is 17. Place saving 0. 7 times 4 is 28. Carry my 2. 7 times 4 is 28. Add 2 is 30. I add 6. 7 and 8 is 15. 0 and 1 is 2. And 3. 3,256. Sliding over to our next one. 29 times 19. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 2 is 18. Add 8 is 26. Place saving 0. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 2 is 2. We add. We have a 1, 15, and 5. 551. 35 times 78. Stack them. Here we go. 8 times 5 is 40. 3 times 8 is 24. Add 4 is 28. Place saving 0 and we slide to the tens. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 3 is 21. Add 3 is 24. We stack. We add 0. 8 and 5 is 13. 4 and 2 is 6. Add 1 is 7. 2. 2,730. Sliding over. 76 times 61. We stack. We multiply. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 7 is 7. Place saving 0 and we slide to the tens. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. Add 3 is 45. We stack. We add. 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 and 6 is 13. 5 and 1 is 6. And our 4 is 4,000. 4,636. 44 times 57. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 4 is 28. Add 2 is 30. Place saving 0 and we slide to the tens. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4 is 20. Add 2 is 22. We stack. We add. 8 plus 0 is 8. And 0. 3 plus 2 is 5. Our 2 is our 1,000. 2,508. Last one for this. 35. We stack. We multiply. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 8 is 40. Add 3 is 43. Place saving 0 and we slide to the tens. 3 times 6 is 18. 8 times 3 is 24. Add 1 is 25. We stack. We add. 0. 8 and 3 is 11. 5 and 4 and 5 is 10. Add 1. 2 and 1 is 3. 3,010 is the last one for page number 2. If you're done, please stop here. If you want to see the next one, hold on tight because here we go. Welcome to page number 3 of traditional multiplication. 59 times 36. We stack, we multiply. 9 times 6 is 54. 6 times 5 is 30. Add 5 is 35. Place saving 0 and we slide to the tens. 3 times 9 is 27. 5 times 3 is 15. Add 2 is 17. We stack. We add. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 7 is 12. 7 and 3 add 1 is 11. 1 and 1 is 2. 2,124. Sliding over. We stack and multiply. 7 and 4 is 28. 7 and 7 is 49. Add 2 is 51. Place saving 0 and we slide to the tens. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 7 is 35. Add 2 is 37. We stack. We add. 8, 1. 5 and 7 is 12. 3 and 1 is 4. 4,218. Moving down here, 96. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 and 3 is 18. Add 4 is 22. Place saving 0. 8 and 9 is 72. 9 and 3 is 27. Add 7 is 34. When we add, we have 3,648. Sliding over, 50 and 92. 2 and 0 is 0. 5 and 2 is 10. Place saving 0. 9 times 0 is 0. 5 times 9 is 45. When we add, we have 4,600. All right, loves. 65 times 71. 5 times 1 is 5. 6 times 1 is 6. Place saving 0 and we slide to the tens. 7 times 5 is 35. 6 times 7 is 42. Add 3 is 45. We stack and add. We have 5 and 11 and 6 and 4, 4,615. 53 times 12. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 5 is 10. Place saving 0. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 5 is 5. We stack and add. We have 636. And that brings us to the last problem on page number 3. All right, friends, we're going to pick up on a new video.